Hola guys, how are you? Good day to my subscribers over here on YouTube, out there at Facebook, and also on TikTok. Guys, in this vlog or episode, I'd like to discuss on whether we should buy Zion Williamson cards right now or should we actually sell them if we have some of them. What are we going to do with his cards, right? But before that, I'd like to please invite you to follow me over at Instagram. That would be at timduncan21_card collector. And also, please follow me over at Facebook. I also have a page there. That would be Revy Mayuyu's Happy Vlogs. Alright, so please do follow them both. And let's start discussing Zion Williamson. So yes, so we will be discussing Zion Williamson and his cards. Why is that so? Because of the fact that we all know that in 2019 when he was drafted, his cards were all hyped. Just like Victor Wembanyama's cards when he came in last year. Sobra kasing ganda ng pinakpakita ng athleticism ni Zion Williamson, and many thought that he would be the next LeBron James in terms of hype, in terms of value with his cards. But out at the onset, we all know that he got injured and medyo he got fat. Alright? And because if you get fat in the NBA, your game will suffer. That's a given. He is likened to Charles Barkley. Charles Barkley had to tone down his weight during his heydays with the 76ers. So, medyo madalas ma-injured si Zion Williamson, and the Pelicans, because of that, are not winning. So, nahihirapan yung ibang teammates niya to really to carry the Pelicans. So, mababa ang standings ng Pelicans kadalasan whenever he is injured. So, right now, he got injured again. Today is 2025 and he has not been playing. And ang sabi, he doesn't wanna be with the Pelicans anymore. And yung regimen niya lalong lumalala at tumataba lalo daw. But we can't argue the fact that he is very athletic and he can actually really play. But right now, because of, it's been 6 years since he got drafted and nothing is really happening with his team and with himself, medyo naapektuhan na ang mga cards niya. So, they are really down. For example, this card. This card is his Prism RC. This is down to just about $7 to $10 raw. Would you believe kung gaano na lang kababa to? It went up to about 10,000 during the pandemic, but right now, it's really low. Hindi ko sinasabing yun yung basis natin for its price. But, dapat, hindi naman 10,000, hindi naman dapat 350 pesos to 500 pesos na lang ito. So, in the Philippines, these are still being bought for about 600 to 700, depende sa buyer, because yung iba, sinusugalan to dahil mura na lang. Alright? You could actually take your chance with Zion Williamson, or should you not? That's the dilemma that we all have. Ako, in my take, is 50-50. I cannot say that Zion Williamson will be the player that he is supposed to be because his autographs right now are also low. You could actually buy one below 10,000 pesos, his rookie autographs, I mean. Mababa na din. And apparently, some collectors are actually getting rid of his autos and his cards. Well, hindi ko masisisi yung mga tao kasi habang may value pa, habang iniisip pa ng iba sa atin to invest on Zion Williamson. The thing is, he has to maybe transfer teams and cut down on his weight. Kasi kahit na mag-transfer teams pa si Zion Williamson outside of the Pelicans, the New Orleans Pelicans, he needs to play. Kung hindi siya nakakalaro, his cards will eventually just go down the drain. Bababa, just like what happened to Ben Simmons' cards. Alright, so it is what it is. No? So we cannot tell. Unlike Ben Simmons, makikita mo naman with Zion Williamson that he could actually score and play. Ben Simmons was overrated in a way because many thought that he would be dominating not just on assists or on defense, but also he could actually also dominate offensively. But the thing is, walang nangyayari because he doesn't want to shoot. Zion Williamson shoots. Yun ang difference nga lang is that ang pangit ng katawan ni Zion Williamson, tumataba, tas papayat, tataba, and his knees can't actually carry his weight. So, may problema doon. So, sa inyo, it's up to you if you want to buy Zion Williamson cards right now. Ako, in my opinion, maybe, I don't know. I really don't know. I can't really say. But right now, parang ayoko because I made a mistake in buying a Ben Simmons autograph during his, when it went down to about 10,000 pesos. Meron ako nabiling autograph niya, which was selling for about 50 to 70,000 at a certain point. So, I don't know kung susugalan ko si Zion Williamson, but I think you could. Pwede naman. But, if he doesn't change his attitude, kung nasa attitude na ng player to, if he feels that he is entitled and he has already garnered enough money to actually live off of that, we wouldn't be able to tell. Dahil ang NBA, ang players, they need to play for their cards to go up. Right now, delikado. But, you know, it's 50-50 for me. I don't know. But maybe if it go down further to 3,000 or I don't know, 2,500 pesos, I might buy a Zion Williamson autograph. But right now, ito sobrang baba na. So I don't know if you're going to buy it or not. But apparently, some of you would, but I can't blame you on that. So sugalan na lang natin. Let's take a chance on him. Some of you would. I won't. So it depends on you. I'd rather go on a different route. So I don't know. So there you go, guys. Now, so again, take care of yourself and please do subscribe to the channel. All right. Thank you and God bless.